3 months now after Hilary left feet of mud in a Cathedral City neighborhood, the cleanup continues. This is video from those first days after the storm on the left with that mountain of mud in the middle of the street. News Channel 3's Miyoshi Price is live in studio after visiting Horizon Road today near Vistacino and Day Palm. This was really one of the hardest hit areas, probably the hardest hit after the storm. Miyoshi.
Absolutely, John. Cathedral City officials say they have removed 387 tons of debris from the streets. Residents in the area are seeing some relief, but they say there's so much more cleanup to be done. According to Cathedral City Public Works, 25% of debris removal is done post Tropical Storm Hilary. Tractors are working daily to remove debris and soil from the streets. Public Works staff say they have spent over $1 million on the equipment rentals and contract work. Horizon Road resident Jerry Mesa says it is refreshing to be able to drive down his street now.
It's going to be a while till all this sand and dirt is completely eradicated from, the cement and the sidewalks and people's yards. We do get dust clouds that come by when cars drive by, but it has improved, I would say, about 50% compared to where we were.
The city is providing a dumpster for residential debris through the end of the month. Officials are still appropriating funds for road repairs. You will continue to see contractors on the road, signs and cones. City staff is asking you to be mindful of them. Live in studio, Miyoshi Price, News Channel 3.